What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know, and we just got another package in the mail, so let's see what it is. If you didn't hear what I got at V-Stock, I got $35 in credit. I would have got $53 in credit, but I decided to go for the $35 in cash, so I decided to do that. But what I got here is The Rock Just Bring It DVD. So, Michael, I don't need to steal yours, and you can just keep yours. Oh, so that's why it was thing. It's stacked discs. Great. But hey, we got insert. Let's go. So now I have to check the condition of the first disc. Still clean. And the second disc is even more clean. But yeah, I don't know why it's stacked discs like this, but who cares? You got Vengeance 2002, you got matches like versus Kurt Angle, Unforgiven, Kelly interviews, Pick a Partner, the No Mercy 2002, Survivor Series 02, WrestleMania 17, just all great matches with The Rock. So, yeah, The Rock, just bring it. The Rock is the most electrifying man in sports entertainment. It's time to go one-on-one with the great one. It includes highlights from his most matches from June 2000 to August 2001. Insight, the dedication of WWE superstar the world has ever seen. Then go behind the scenes of the filming of the Universal Pictures The Scorpion King. When it's all over, you'll understand why The Rock says just bring it. 1 hour of one and a half hours of extra disc space, 5 matches to look at, and 20 of The Rock's best promos. But so we got the insert. The 2 DVDs are mint in condition, I guess. The 5 matches are Unforgiven versus Kurt Angle versus Shane McMahon. And I guess the Rock versus Kurt Angle versus Undertaker at Vengeance 02. And then SummerSlam 2001 versus The Rock versus Booker T, I mean. But yeah, very good set. Cannot wait to watch it. The collector's edition double disc set. This has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, when I'm out. Peace.